Hey, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Easy Best Practices. I am Hicham, and today we are diving into something every Oracle admin should master: installing Oracle Linux like version 8 and Oracle Database 19c from scratch. Whether you are preparing for work or certification or just want a clean lab environment, this video will walk you through everything step by step, no shortcut, no confusion. So let's get started. So here is the agenda. We will install Oracle Linux version 8 in a VirtualBox, and we will install Oracle Database 90c prerequisites. We will run XMing for the GUI installation. We will prepare the Oracle user environment. Then we're going to run the Oracle Database installer. After that, we're going to install the listener, and we will create the database. Then finally to check the connection from the command line and from the SQL Developer. So let's install Oracle Linux 8 in VirtualBox. So let's start create a new VirtualBox VM. So go to this icon here, create new. Well, give your VM a name here. Then choose where you want to save your VM data. So I hope that you downloaded the ISO file from Oracle website. The ISO file, for me, I have here Linux, Oracle Linux 8. So click Next. Set up the memory to 4 GB at least, for example, for testing. Number CPUs, I advise you to at least 2 CPUs here. For the disk, it depends what you're going to just install. Oracle, for example, I don't know, 50 or 100 gigabyte, for example. Click Next, and you click Finished. Once you click Finished, you have your VM here. Just one step you need to do here is to adjust your network card. So you go to Network and set it to Bridged Adapter. In this case, you're going to have the VM will have its own IP address, and you're all set and ready to install Oracle Linux. So when you start your VM, you're going to boot on the ISO, select Install Oracle Linux, the first line there, hit Enter. Select the language, click Continue. You need to set up the password for the root and create a new user. I will name it sysadmin, and I will make this user as administrator. Set the password for this user. Double click, done. Set up the root passwords. Click done. I will disable the kdamp, not recommended for production. For the network, I will set up the host name as dbserver.local. Click apply. I will enable the Ethernet card. Click configure, and I will disable the IPv6. It's optional. I have an IP address because the VM is bridged. Now let's select the installation destination, the hard drive where the operating system will be installed. I will leave it automatic. Click done. Then I will select the software. For my installation, I will choose server. but if you prefer, you can go with the GUI as well. For the server, you need to select some packages, but the most one is the legacy Unix compatibility. The others are optional. This one is very important. When you're done, click the button done on the left corner there. Begin the installation, and you need to click the reboot system when the installation is completed. Once the system is rebooted, I will try to log in with the sysadmin, and I will check the IP address. So, all good. Let's update the operating system. I will SSH to the new installed Linux. So I'm connected as a root, and run the command dnf update-y to confirm the update. Reboot your system. I will SSH again. I'll check the OS release. There is a typo there. It's cat/etc/os-release. So it's the version Oracle Linux version 8.10. It's installed. You can check also with uname-r. Okay, now let's install Oracle Database 19c Prerequisites. I will set up the IP address and fully qualified name in the hosts file. As well, I will increase the swap memory. It's for the moment it's 4 gigabytes. As you see, I will increase it to 8. I will add 4 gigabytes more. This is the command. Then I will change mode to 600 to that file there. Then make a swap command /swap file. And the last command swap on /swap file. As you see, free-h give you the swap file. It's 8 gigabyte. So let's now install the Oracle Database prerequisites. The command dnf install oracle-database-preinstall-19c. You can use yum install as well. So confirm with yes. It's completed. Let me change the SE Linux to permissive. So let's check what we have in the file. It's enforcing. So we can set that to permissive by, you can vi that file or run this command to change enforce into permissive. If you check now, it's SE Linux, it's equal permissive. By default here, when you install those prerequisites, install the compatible parameters. You can adjust them as you need here in this file in syscontrol.conf. You can run the command syscontrol-p as well to check these parameters. Or you can modify, open the file and adjust if you need to increase the memory max or min and so on. So you need to add these keys for the Oracle user, the number of file or for the soft and hard. I will keep this in the description. So it's the file, it's limits.conf. Now let's check the firewall status. By default, when you install Oracle Linux, is active by default. So we need to open the port for Oracle. It's 1521 and another port for management 5500. It's already opened that port, so just run the command to open the for its firewall dash command dash dash permanent dash dash add dash port equal the port slash TCP. So to check this the list or the status, well, you need to reload first. Then you can list all the parameters for the firewall. As you see, the port 1521 and 5500 are open. I changed the password for Oracle user. Well, it's Oracle. I need to grab the Oracle user from the password list to check the home folder and the shell running for that user. So password Oracle, type the password. After that, let's create the installation folder where we're going to install Oracle. And let's change the owner for that folder to Oracle and the group Oracle install. With the capital R, it's for recursive. And here we're going to change the permission to that folder. For the folder user1, it belongs to the root, but the subfolders belong to Oracle user. Let me switch to the Oracle user, and I will set up the all variables for that user. So in the bash underscore profile, let me vi and show you the parameters we just entered. So vim or vi, here is the parameter. So we need to set up Oracle base and Oracle home and also the Oracle SID. It depends. Here, this is my parameter, for example. So this is the path where I installed the Oracle. For me, I put 19C. You can put whatever version you are installing. So for the SID, I will change that to, for example, to dev. If you are doing production, dev, test, it's up to you. Don't forget to add the key. This one, CV underscore assumed underscore this ID equal OL7. I will SSH the server with the Oracle user. Put the password you set up for that user. Let me check all variables for that user, environment variables, especially the Oracle. So as you see here, Oracle SID, it's set, Oracle base, it's there, and Oracle home as well. From the Windows, I downloaded the Oracle database on Windows. I'm going to copy that from Windows to the remote machine. So I use from Windows was the command s copy, secure copy, the file I want to copy to the destination. The destination, I'm using the Oracle user at the IP address of the destination, :/temp, for example, TMP. I'm copy that there. The system will ask you for the Oracle user password. This will copy this zip file from Windows to your Linux machine. The copy is done. I can check that. Go to the cd temp and ls. We'll see the file there. It's oracle_db19c. I need to unzip this file into the destination. It's Oracle home. So I have a variable $Oracle home, and the system will unzip that in that location. I will fast forward the video. It's done. So let me go to the Oracle home, and we need to change something here in this. So cd cd admin, and open the file cvu_config. Edit this file, and let's change the key cv_assume_dist id equal to only 7, Oracle Linux 7. This is recommended by DASO documentation, especially for this version. We can check also bash file .value. That key is there, exported in the environment. This one is optional, or you can add it. It doesn't harm. So now we can say we are ready. So since we're going to run the graphic installation, so we need to run XMing on Windows. So we need to download and install it. It's a free software. So click Start, look for XMing, and run that. And you can see on the taskbar, it's already running here. Let's check on Linux if it's we exported the display. So the IP address of my Windows, export display equal the IP address from where I'm going to display the graphic installation. So my IP address on Windows, ipconfig/all. This is my preferred IP address. So we go on Linux and we export it as a variable. So let's source the environment. This must be done for Oracle user. Echo $display to check if it's sourced. As a root, maybe you need to install some graphic tools like gedit or gvim. So dnf install -y gvim or gedit. I will try with the it's already installed. I will try with the gvim with the Oracle user. As you see, it's running without any issue. So we are ready to run to start the Oracle installation. So we will run the installer. So you can cd to Oracle home directory and run the command /run installer. This will run the GUI installation. So we're going to select the setup, the software only. Click next. Allow single instance database installation. Click next. Keep the default enterprise edition. Click next. So by default, the system brings all those environment variables, Oracle Home and Oracle Base. Click next. Keep the default here and click next. This one is optional. You can change it to Oracle install group if you want, so it's optional. If you want, you can set the password for the root, or we're gonna enter that manually. Click next. As you can see here, there is a pack warning regarding the package compact-libcap. So this, it's a bug. I'm going to show you the Oracle documentation. They say it's a bug. The workaround is to ignore this because this package is not delivered with the Linux version. So it's to ignore all. It's a bug. You can read that of the documentation. It's not required. Click next. There's a warning about that package. No worries. So we are ready to install. You can save the installation in a response file, or in case you wanted to do another silent installation. So it's already, you can choose a file where location where to save it. So install. This will not take long. So it's installed. It's just the software. Now, something pop up here. You need to run this as a root. You need to copy and paste and switch to the root session and run that command. The first one and the second command as well. Both command as a root. And run that. Confirm, enter. You go back and click OK. Then click close. So the software is installed now. So next step is to install the listener. So the command is netca. Always it's a graphic installation. Choose listener configuration and click next. This is the first listener. Click add and next. Here you can enter a name for your listener. For example, listener underscore dev or production or test, QA. It's up to you what the name you're going to give to your listener. By default, it's listener. Keep the TCP IP as a default. You can change the port or keep the standard one. It's 1521, the one that we open it or set in the firewall. So I will keep the default 1521. Click next. You would like to configure non-listener? No. Click next and you can click next and finish. It's the listener is created. Now listener configure, click finish. To check if the listener is up and running. So you can SS the command, pipe grab the port. As you see, there is a PID is 202673. That's the process ID of that listener. As you can see, you can PS as well and you check if the listener is up and running. Also, there's a command listener control status. You can type the listener name in case you have multiple listener on the same machine. To see the command, the last one is completed successfully. The port, they give you a lot of information here. So we are done with the listener. The next one is to create the DB. So let's create the a database now. Let's clear screen. The command is dbca, database configuration assistant. It's a graphic mode as well. This step it takes time. So choose create the database. Click next. I like to go with the advanced configuration. Click next. So choose general purpose. Here we can where we configure the SID. So as we put the SID dev in Oracle configuration, it's better to keep it dev. But we're going to create a pluggable database. So I will choose use the following for database storage attribute. Select use Oracle managed files. You can specify the FRA and enable archiving mode as well. Click next. As you see, the listener is up and running. It's already selected, and then the status is up. Otherwise, you can create new one if you want. The next, you can skip this one here. So you can adjust the memory as needed here. And I leave it automatic, the sizing also. For the characters, it should be AL32UTFA for English. Choose dedicated server mode. For me, I will install the sample, because this is a test environment, I will add the sample schema. Click next. So this is the port we opened for the management as well, so it's optional. Click next. So here you can specify a password for every account for the system and pluggable database, or I will put just one password for all of them. But this is not recommended for production. It's better to specify every account has its own password. Well, it's a weak password, it's okay. It's a dev environment. So we're going to create the database. Click next. You can review all your parameter and save the response file in case you need to do a silent installation. I will call it 2-db. It's a response file, contain all those parameters. So click finish. This step, it takes a lot of time. Well, sometimes it's 30 minutes, 35 minutes. It takes time. So the installation, it's done. The database is created. Now let's check the connection to that database. Before that, I will adjust the TNS name.aura file. So you can head up to this location, then edit the file tns names.aura. We're going to add an entry here. So the service ID dev, this is for the classic database. I will add the pluggable database. So just copy and paste that part and rename it. So I will copy this and paste it here, change the ID. It's a pluggable database. It's the name that you gave it during the installation. So we need to display it, change it from there and the service name. So from here, yeah, and the service name. It's the same port, the same server, nothing to touch. Listener is good. So just save. Now let's check the Aura tab file. Just one small configuration here. Edit Aura tab file and change N to Y. All right. Let's connect to our database as sysdba. Yep, it's running. So I was able to connect. Let's show me the pluggable databases, and it's ready. It's read on the right. I can change the yeah. Let's change to that pluggable database. Alter session set container equal pluggable database. Show connection name. Yep, I'm connected. I'm in that database right now. So let me alter the user HR. You remember the schema, sample schema we installed? HR. So the user HR is locked. So I need to change the password and unlock that account. Let's unlock it. Account unlock. Run that. It's done. So let's try to connect with that user. So it's SQL plus HR slash the password at pluggable database. So voila, I am connected in that schema. So show me the connection name. I am in the pluggable database and HR installed inside. So let me select some, check if I can fetch some data from the job table. Yes, it's working. In this part, I will check the SQL Developer connection. So let me run that from my Windows machine. And we're going to try to connect to the HR schema. So let me edit the setting. I have already one. I'm going to just edit that and put the new schema parameters. So I need to put the host name or the IP address, the service name, it's pluggable database because the HR sample schema installed in pluggable database. So I need to put the password and the user ID for sysadmin. You should just to test with the sysadmin, then we can check with the HR. Oh, the connection it's good. I am connected. Let me run this command. So the database dev, it's up and running and in the read and write mode. Let's try the HR with the path. It's the default. Change the role from sysdba. Now, just I'm going to rename the connection, put the password, the same parameter as well. When save that and connect, the system will create a new HR connection. Let me check that. Expand this entry here. Tables, as you see the tables there, I can select and run these tables. And that's it. A full Oracle Linux 8 and Oracle Database 19c installation from scratch. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.